I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable stock trading on the Fidelity app, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Download and install the Fidelity app. Make sure you have the Fidelity app installed on your smartphone. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Create or log into your Fidelity account. Open the app and either log into your existing Fidelity account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. You will need to provide your personal information for account setup. Step 3. Complete the required documentation. Once logged in, navigate to account settings to complete any required documentation for trading. This may include verifying your identity and agreeing to terms. Step 4. Enable trading features. In the app, go to the trading section and look for an option to enable trading features. This might be labeled as enable trading or similar. Make sure to toggle it on. Note, if you don't see the option, ensure your account type supports trading, as some account types may have restrictions. Step 5. Fund your account. To start trading, you will need to deposit funds into your account. Go to the funding section and link your bank account for transfers. Now you're all set to start trading on a Fidelity app. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Fidelity's customer support for assistance. Happy trading!